U.S. Steel update for Friday the 25th, midday update. It is absolutely ripping with SPY. One of the observations I see is this chart looks almost identical to SPY. Let's look at the 15-minute chart here. 15-minute chart, bottom right here, just straight up. 15-minute chart on SPY. They pretty much the exact same thing, just down and then up. So it looks very similar, and it's kind of hard to get a gauge on with Elliott wave because literally every bar has been green. But it looks like possibly this is a fourth wave right here, and we could see maybe a little bit more, maybe to 27. But looking at SPY, I kind of have that as starting a fourth wave maybe here soon and topping around 437. And my thoughts on SPY, I'll give you that because that kind of has relation to U.S. Steel right now, is I'm thinking that there's a possibility we go back and test 432, maybe 433, somewhere in there. And then we make our way up to 445 and get in this area maybe for the first overall wave. So if that's the case and we're already at 437, we started at 411, we've already made pretty much like 70% of the move. And so then let's look at US Steel here. And let's say this is pretty much topped out around here. I don't know. It's pretty strong. It's almost stronger than SPY too. So maybe it does go a little bit higher. It kind of looks like a fourth wave here though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And actually it's pretty easy to see right there. Let me do a little calculation here and just give it. I don't know if this is really going to be. I don't know. This wave right here looks kind of weak. Maybe I was thinking maybe it topped out, could possibly go a little bit higher, but if SPY falls back to the low 430s, then I'm expecting this to fall back a little bit. But then if SPY goes to mid 440s, I could see this. This is only 70% of the move. Then what would that be? We would have 21.91. It's about $5 move. So add 30% onto that, and you have about $3 more. So I'm kind of just thinking off the top of my head. I originally thought maybe like 27.50 to 28 bucks could be the top. Let's see if there's any resistance there. So it broke above that. We have this at 28. Yeah, I'm thinking that we definitely top out before this 28.37 level right here. And this move though on the first wave is almost to the point where it could start changing my price targets for the overall wave move on the monthly chart. But I'm thinking anywhere from 27.50 to about 28.50 would be the top on this move. So maybe we fall back down to 25.50 or so, and then maybe pop back up to like 27.50 to 28 bucks when SPY goes to 444. If it breaks this and goes to like 30 bucks when SPY hits 444, I'm gonna be very surprised. But so yeah, a little bit more upside, and then I'm expecting, let's say we go to 28 bucks. I'm expecting a pullback to about 25 bucks for the second wave. So crazy move in the market, and maybe a little bit more upside, but I wouldn't be like super optimistic we're going to go to like 30 bucks here. I think we're going to probably top out in the next $1 or $2 and then pull back. So That's a midday update. Not much Elliott wave with that update, but the chart has been so many green candles. It's kind of hard to give you an Elliott wave on that unless I go down to like the 3-minute time frame. So, yeah, get ready. I actually bought some $27 puts down on them right now. I'm gonna hold them and probably sell them on the next pullback whenever SPY decides to pull back to the low 430s. If this ever falls, and I sold some $27 covered calls for next week as well. So we'll see how those do. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. And you think my price target of overall $33 to $34 is too low? I see some people saying $50. My Elliott wave still saying $34 is probably about right. But anything is possible in this market. So I wouldn't be surprised if somehow we hit 40 or 50 bucks when the market ends up melting up. So leave me a comment below, like and subscribe, and check out the book that I link in the description if you're a beginner and you want to learn Elliott wave. Pretty easy to understand and should really help you understand the fibs and how to really chart Elliott wave to give you better price targets and better entries and exits. All right, I'll talk to you in the next video.